Hello friends, welcome to our channel Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for steno related contents. Be ready for the legal passage for the aspirants who are preparing for triple S and stenotypist and other related exam. Ready? Start. If we look at the international and regional level developments relating to capital punishment, we find that the law relating to capital punishment in India is in direct conflict so far as the demand of abolition or imposing moratorium is concerned. Full stop. However, Indian legal system takes due care of most of the safeguards in conformity with the international standards. Full stop. As discussed in chapter 4, the salutary features which came to be introduced in international convenience from time to time already formed part of our constitutional scheme of 1950. Full stop. The Constitution of India is highly valued from its articulation. Full stop. Article 20 provides that no person shall be convicted of any offence except for violation of a law in force at the time of the commission of the act charged as an offence, nor be subjected to a penalty greater than that which might have been inflicted under the law in force at the time of the commission of the offence. Full stop. Article 21 of the Constitution of India commands in emphatic terms that no person shall be deprived of his life or personal liberty except according to the procedure established by law. Full stop. Over the span of years, the Supreme Court has expanded the horizon of right to life guaranteed under the Constitution to balance with the progress of human life. Full stop. Article 22 within bracket 1 states that no person who is arrested shall be detained in custody without being informed, as soon as may be, of the grounds for such arrest, nor shall he be denied the right to consult and to be defended by a legal practitioner of his choice. Full stop. Article 39A of the Constitution of India casts a duty on the state to ensure that justice is not denied by reason of economic or other disabilities in the legal system and to provide free legal aid to every citizen with economic or other disabilities. Full stop. Articles 72 and 161 provides for grant of pardon. Full stop. If a person has been guaranteed certain rights either under the Constitution or under an international covenant or under a law and he is denied access to such a right, then it amounts to a clear violation of his human rights. Full stop. However, the Supreme Court has held that India's commitment does not go beyond what is prohibited in the constitutional oblique constitution and the Indian Penal Code and the Criminal Procedure Code. Full stop. Over. So ये हमारी नियर अबाउट 100 WPM के नियर अबाउट डिक्टेशन थी. 100 WPM भी हो सकती है, 105 भी हो सकती है, बिकॉज वर्ड्स मेंशन नहीं है. तो अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा एंड मस्ट सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल फॉर मोर डिक्टेशंस लाइक दिस. थैंक्स टू ऑल. बी प्रैक्टिस फॉर अ बेटर फ्यूचर.